Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Roblox error code 279. First, ensure your internet connection is stable and fast. A weak signal can cause issues. Next, check your firewall and antivirus settings to confirm Roblox is not being blocked. Finally, close any background applications that might be consuming significant bandwidth, as this can interfere with the game's connection. These initial checks are crucial for a smooth gaming experience. Moving on, let's optimize your browser and game settings. Always use an updated web browser like Chrome or Firefox, and regularly clear its cache and cookies to prevent data conflicts. If you're still facing issues, try launching Roblox directly from its desktop application rather than your browser. Additionally, consider lowering the in-game graphics quality to reduce the strain on your connection and system resources, which can often resolve connectivity problems. Now, let's delve into network configuration. A simple yet effective step is to restart your router and modem, power them off for about 30 seconds before turning them back on. For enhanced stability, consider switching to a wired Ethernet connection instead of Wi-Fi. Also, temporarily disable any virtual private network or proxy services, as they can sometimes interfere with game servers. Finally, flush your DNS cache by typing ipconfig/flushdns in command prompt. If the error persists, a complete reinstallation of the Roblox player might be necessary. First, uninstall the application, then download and reinstall it from the official website. Ensure your operating system and graphics drivers are fully updated to prevent compatibility issues. If all else fails, do not hesitate to contact Roblox support. Provide them with detailed information about your system and the specific error messages you're encountering for the quickest resolution to your problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.